What's up, online shoppers? If you haven't heard about Era Botanics Cleanse and Restore Moisturizing, Soothing Manuka Honey Face and Body Wash, you've got to listen up. Now, I've bought this a while ago and I honestly have tried all kinds of different face cleansers. Cetaphil, CeraVe, and I keep coming back to this one. First of all, this isn't just one of those products that washes off the dirt and that's the end of the story. I feel like it actually is caring for my skin. It has all kinds of calming, moisturizing ingredients like the Manuka honey, aloe vera, and also the Australian Cehami extract, which soothes and calms my skin. But what really stands out to me is how moisturizing this is. My skin doesn't feel tight, dry, or stretched after I've washed with it. Ingredients like hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, and vegetable glycerin are hydrating ingredients that help to prevent that from happening. I love that my pores aren't clogged, my face is moisturized, and it doesn't feel oily or greasy either. As well, if you're somebody like me that has combination skin where you have a lot of oil in your T-zone and then drier cheeks, this is the face wash that has worked best. Another big win for me is that this is just one of those cleansers that completely evens you out without irritating your skin barrier. I haven't had irritation or flare-ups or tightness. My skin just feels clean and I'm happy with the overall results. I also noticed that I don't need to rush to put moisturizer on my face afterwards because the moisturizer is built right into the cleanser. And let's not forget that Era Organics is an American-made company that puts lots of care, love, and concern into their products, and you can feel it when you wash your face. After 3 months of using this, I can confidently say I'm not switching back to those other cleansers because this one here does it all for me. Whether you have rosacea, eczema, or just sensitive skin with rough, dry patches, and you're looking for a cleanser that's not going to irritate and is going to help calm everything, this Era Organics Cleanse and Restore with Manuka honey is amazing, and it's definitely a family favorite at my house.